Okay, awesome. Good morning, everybody. Welcome. This is super exciting to see so many people here today that are excited and passionate about hemp, and those of you that are brand new and wanting to learn about this industry and see what's available. And thanks so much to the Extension Service, University of Illinois Extension, for being really great thought leaders on this and organizing forums so early in the process. My name is Stacy McCaskill, and I am the director of the Illinois Small Business Development Center. We're located in Dixon, Illinois, but there are small business development centers all over the country and all throughout the state of Illinois. And what we do is we provide no-cost consulting services to small businesses. We help you out from the time that your business idea is a twinkle in your eye, all the way to when you're thinking about doing an exit plan from your business. So if you need help with succession planning, you own a farm, you're trying to figure out, what do I do with this? I want to retire. We can help you with that. If you're thinking about starting up a hemp processing mill, we can help you with that. If you're thinking about growing hemp for fiber and seed, we can help you with that. If you're thinking about hemp for CBD growing and processing, we can also help you with that. So please see us today if you would like to request a no-cost consulting session. We have forms out in the lobby, and we can quickly and easily sign you up for those no-cost consulting services. The other thing I just want to say is that our center specifically has been also a thought leader in this. We met Chris and Rachel Berry, who are the founders of the Illinois Hemp Growers Association, over 6 months ago, and started working on their business idea and their business plan for helping hemp growers in Illinois and promoting the industry in Illinois. We are, our Small Business Development Center really is the only small business development center in Illinois that is educated and experienced and on top of what's happening with hemp. So please come and see us for your kind of initial consultation. If you're not in our immediate service area, which is about 6 counties surrounding the Dixon area, we can connect you with your closest small business development center and partner with them so that you have a very convenient place to go, but also can tap into our expertise as it relates to hemp. I want to introduce Chris Berry, our next speaker. Chris is a millwright and has over a decade experience doing mechanical maintenance and in processing facilities throughout the state of Illinois. He is a master on hemp. I mean, you cannot stump this guy. Just quick fire questions to him, and I cannot believe the depth of his knowledge related to hemp growing, hemp processing, agriculture, just everything related to hemp. This guy is a real expert, and we're so lucky to have him speak with us today to kind of give us the condition of what's happening with hemp as we're just getting started with this again in Illinois. So Chris, if you'd come to the stage.